You know, I've been doing this for many years now. I've driven cars from supercars like the Lamborghini Aventador S, all the way to a Jeep Wrangler, ripping it through the beautiful North Carolina countryside. And one of the things that I've noticed between all of these cars that I've driven over the last few years is that they have one thing in common, and that is that they're all left-hand drive. In today's video, I'm going to be experiencing my first right-hand drive imported car, but not just any imported car. I'm gonna get a taste for the JDM rally legend, the Toyota Celica GT-Four. As you guys know, I am more of a muscle car enthusiast, but today I'm really excited to not only drive a right-hand drive car, but I'm excited to drive a legend like the Celica GT-Four MR2. You can't blame me, it literally looks like an MR2 though.
They really don't.
So guys, this is Untitled Racing. He has a YouTube channel and also some social media pages. Go ahead and give him a follow. In all seriousness, why did you choose the Celica?
So my first car that I ever bought was a 1991 Toyota Celica GT, and I've always dreamed of doing the turbo swap, of making this car a GT4. That swap never happened, but a couple years later, money came up, and I saw this bad boy listed for sale. So dream car when I was 18, 19 years old, felt right to finally own it.
Tell me what makes the GT-Four Celica so appealing to so many people? Because I see it's a really powerful and strong following and culture behind it. What's really special about it?
So this car was made as a homologation, so the only way Toyota could race in the World Rally Circuit was that they had to sell and produce a certain amount of their GT4 rally cars. So that's what makes this car so special, is that they only made it for sale just so Toyota could race in the World Rally Circuit.
How many were produced?
I believe this year, this is one of 1,800, if I'm not mistaken.
1,800?
1,800, yeah.
Guys, that's like Z28, 5th gen Camaro numbers right there. That's pretty insane. Let's go ahead and drive this thing, man. I'm super excited.
Gabe, it's the other side.
Bro! No, the seatbelt's here. All right. First thing is first. We have the gear shifter here. Okay, is this first? Is this first?
I think so.
Okay. Wait, the handbrake? Bro!
I just want to stay quiet.
Yeah, no, you're good. This is so trippy, dude. Like, look at look at this. Like, we are literally on the opposite side. Like, dude, it's so weird. It's so weird. I mean, luckily making like left turns is so much easier. I think the right ones is where it gets a little bit difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you see right here, this part right here, I have no idea what's going on. I literally have no idea. Like the roads in the United States, pretty much everywhere in the world, are built for the accommodation of the left-hand drive. So this is just like, this is just defying all of that. So with these 90s car, the clutch is definitely a lot heavier than modern cars. You really do have to like work your muscle with this thing. Same thing happened with the, okay, so this is the first time I'm gonna shift. Oh, dude, it's so weird. It's so weird doing it with your left, man. Like, this is usually my holding the... What are you doing? wait, what just happened? Okay.
The blinkers are on your right.
Oh,
and the wipers are on the left.
Okay. That's embarrassing. Wait, how do I get them down?
Just click them again. Wait, what? You just broke the relay?
No.
Oh, wow.
No, wow. Chat, what the fuck? Hold on, let's pull over.
Bobble. Alright, well, we ran into some difficulties. The wiper motor just broke on the Celica, so.
A wiper motor?
Yeah, the wiper. No, it's stuck on the
GoPro.
On the GoPro. It's stuck on the GoPro. That's why it's not going.
You cutting grass or? By the way, this trunk is huge.
Yeah.
Like massive. Hey, look, you're getting a free detail too. Woo! shift. My first time driving a right-hand drive car in a spirited fashion. This is my car basically now.
Yeah, you can start making the payments.
Bro, that is so awesome. Surprisingly, it pulls really nicely.
Yeah, once it reaches boost, it moves.
Speaking of boost, what does this thing have? Like what engine does it have and all
So the car has a 2.0 liter second gen 3S GTE. Mods, it has a cold air intake, upgraded turbo.
I can hear it. Some of
yeah, downpipe and then just full exhaust. So it's pretty much a full bolt-on.
bolt-ons and a largest turbo, you said?
It's the same size turbo, just the teeth are a little bit bigger, so it helps suck in more air faster. Same turbo size, just the insides are different, I guess.
Right. This is me. No, bro, I can't. Like, this is actually like so stressful.
Second time counter.
It's just so like, bro.
Be careful, don't touch it.
Don't do it again. And I still reach for the. Bro, I can't. Damn, dude. It definitely moves once it gets a boost, man. That is so cool. Now, I can't imagine doing this on dirt roads where it's meant to be doing this.
Yeah, I mean, this car was undefeated when Toyota took it. Their World Rally car, like the rally version of this car. Well, I guess this is the rally version. But the one they used for racing, it was undefeated. It beat everything. Audi, Mitsubishi, all the competitors, it beat it.
So how much power does this make again?
So stock, it pushes about 220. What it's doing now, I wouldn't know.
Gear grind. That's gear grind. You can kind of hear the spools.
Yeah, you can hear it scream. When you're really on it, you can hear it.
How do you feel that your car is finally a camera car?
You know, it's had its time in front of the camera, so it's nice to get back in.
The car looks like it was struggling though to do its duty.
Yeah, well, you weren't struggling to suck my.
So probably for this car, I know this car was infamous for getting too hot, where the alternator, the alternator belt would melt. So if you look at the World Rally circuit, their hood scoop is actually, the scoop is to cool down the alternator more than cool down the, well, obviously cool down the intercooler and the alternator, because it kept melting through the belts. So I assume if they went a supercharger route, it would probably run into the same issues. I'm really not too familiar why they went turbo and not supercharger, but I think most of those cars in those competitions were turbo. It was probably for
Top end, maybe?
Top end for sure, maybe.
Hey, you thirsty?
I go for a drink.
Let's go for a drink. All right, guys, so now we're gonna be doing some trolling. Mind you, we're the same height. Hello? Do you guys have like a lemonade?
A lemonade?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. So if you don't have good visibility, like good seeing, it might be a little bit more difficult to see the menu.
Lemonade and water?
Yes.
412.
How are you?
She doesn't get paid enough.
No, she really, unfortunately, she really doesn't. Okay, una, dos. No, don't throw it down.
So I felt like Dom Toretto right there. Family.
1 second. I gotta get prepared for this. That's one. That's two. Thank you. Sorry, I bought a defective car.
Huh?
The World world is built around left-hand drive services. So yeah, you're gonna have to definitely do some aerobics to try to reach over some Dom Toretto. Like, this is not the GT4 you think it is, bro. This is not it, bro.
Poverty spurt. Poverty.
GT4, bro. GT4 is what this is. Feed me. I just broke my sobriety.
You know what? It tastes even better when it's free.
Oh yeah, totally, 100%. Eat. And we are now getting rained on. Bro, thank God this is all-wheel drive. If it wasn't,
We'd be cooked.
nah, at least in the ZL1 it's over. Like a first to second like that with a little bit of passion. Game over, guys, game over. Oh! Bro, that sounds so good. It's a very niche car, a very niche experience, and one that has like a rich racing heritage. It's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. Yeah! Woo! No high fives, bro? Only in America, bro.
They don't know what they're looking.
They don't know, they don't know. Yeah, bro, this is, for them, this is just another Miata, bro. That sounds gnarly, bro. So this area right here, it's kind of like an off-road little mangrove Florida gem. And again, this is an off-roading capable car, so it kind of suits it in a way. Now, you would probably do this in a more mountainous area rather than a flatlands of Florida. Wow, that's pretty cool, man.
All the way, all the way.
So we're actually going to be testing it out how it should be.
Sure hope there's no park rangers watching this.
Oh my eyes! My eyes! Holy shit!
I sure hope that came out as cool as it felt.
That fucking sucked. Eddie, you suck ass.
How'd it look?
You look terrible.
I know.
Like, comment, and subscribe!
That's the fucking shot! That was the fucking shot! Alright, we're done. We are done.
Time for a vacuum.
Yeah. Wow.
Construction work over there.
Oh my god. Clearly we got a little bit of a taste of rally. Look.
Rally history right here.
Bro! Oh my god, dude. You look like you've been working in the minefield, bro.
Oh, I don't know how, but let me see the camera. Turn around.
Huh? Huh?
Yo, look at me.
Yo.
Ah, but you woke up like that, bro.
It felt like an explosion. I feel like someone just grabbed a handful of sand.
Dude, wait till you...
Good screen.
It's all dusty.
Alright, well, the car's alive. We're alive.
Car's alive,
That's
we're
all that
alive.
matters.
Guys, This is ETL Racing. He is the owner of this beautiful Celica GT-Four. Give this guy a sub, like, check out his channel. Thank you again so much, bro, for showing me what this is capable and letting us drive it as well. Yeah, and then Gabe, camera guy, appreciate you. We've done some skits together. Check out some of the clips that we have. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you guys want to see more of him doing some crazy shit, hit the like button. If this gets to 1,000 likes within a month, that's a crazy like. That's crazy. He will do it again. No, I'm kidding. But guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this content and want to see more with this car or with Eduardo too. Last but not least, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.